Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In a rather sad indictment of the way in which political systems in many countries around the world are failing their citizens, and I guess also a sad indictment of the way in which citizens themselves have failed to help bring about political systems that work for them, one of my students in class this week made a rather scathing observation on the political scene in his country as he sees it. He was talking about the politicians that were available to vote for and saying that basically all of the so-called opposition politicians were essentially puppets of the government, they were puppets of the regime, and that there was very little difference between any of them. He didn't trust any of them, he thought they were all just in it for themselves, and that basically they were all on the make. If you say that a politician is on the make, you mean that they're desperate to succeed and gain power and make a lot of money, often by dishonest means. So, if you're like me, you might be looking at the government in your own country and thinking that you'll be glad to see the back of them, because basically they're a bunch of lying, disingenuous narcissists on the make. Sometimes in newspapers you also read news stories about businessmen on the make who have maybe been robbing company funds or dipping their fingers into the savings of their customers in banks or whatever. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use on the make